Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about relaxation, so let's get started. The question you could be asked is, where do you go to find relaxation? You could say a place where I often unwind is my backyard, or I frequently find solace in the serenity of my backyard. How often do you go there? I go there almost every evening, or I make it a routine to visit almost every evening. What do you do whilst you're relaxing? I engage in activities like reading a book or merely sitting back to soak in the ambience. I usually read a book or simply sit and enjoy the surroundings. What is it like there? The tranquil environment and the freshness of the air contribute significantly to my relaxation in this space. Or the quiet atmosphere and fresh air help me relax. Okay, next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me, as it's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. A personal oasis. My backyard serves as my personal oasis, a retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The privacy it offers shields me from the outside world, allowing me to unwind in a space of my own. Nestled amidst the urban chaos, this small patch of greenery brings a sense of calm that cannot be replicated elsewhere. My visits to this haven are almost daily. Whether it's to begin the day with a serene cup of tea or to unwind in the evening after a long day's work, this place serves as a reliable sanctuary. It has become a routine, and its familiar embrace is a source of comfort. The activities I engage in with this space contribute significantly to the soothing aroma. The gentle rustling of leaves and the distant hum of the city form an ambient symphony that calms my senses. Engaging in mindfulness exercises or simply sitting in contemplation allows me to disconnect from the stresses of the day. I often choose to read a book, letting my mind wander through the pages while birds chirp softly in the background. The natural elements within this space play a vital role in creating a relaxing atmosphere. The abundance of greenery and the scent of blossoming flowers provide a sensory retreat. The presence of nature's beauty in the form of vibrant colors and soothing fragrances revitalizes my spirit. In a world filled with constant noise and distractions, the backyard stands as a testament to the power of simplicity in achieving profound relaxation. What makes this place truly special is its ability to induce a sense of relaxation that permeates through my being. The combination of natural elements, privacy, and the activities I engage in converge to create an oasis of calmness. In our quest for tranquility, we often search far and wide, yet sometimes the ultimate solace lies right in our own backyard. The ability to find respite in this space is to remember that true relaxation is not about where you are, but how often you feel when you are there. Okay, I hope you found that enjoyable. Next up is our range of vocab and expressions. Please read along with me again, so that you may begin to incorporate them into your English use. Tranquil haven, unassuming, urban chaos, sort of color, wind down, soothing aurora, chirp softly, ambient symphony, engaging in mindfulness exercises, contemplation, abundance of greenery, blossoming flowers, sensory retreat, vibrant colors, soothing fragrances, revitalize my spirit, induce a sense of relaxation, oasis of calmness, profound relaxation, constant noise and distractions, solace, ultimate solace, respite, true relaxation, offering a sense of tranquility, a refuge from the demands of life, a peaceful escape, a space for rejuvenation, providing a break from the daily grind, easing the mind and body, finding solace in nature's embrace, creating a bubble of serenity, a place to unwind and recharge, embracing a moment of calmness, getting lost in a state of relaxation. transporting the mind to a tranquil state, allowing stress to melt away, cultivating an atmosphere of peace, finding respite from the chaos, inviting a sense of ease and contentment, fostering a connection with nature, offering a sanctuary of stillness, a space for introspection and reflection, nurturing a feeling of serenity. And lastly for today, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go yourself at putting some of these into your own words. Instead of the question, what is a place where you frequently relax? You could instead say, where is a spot you often go to unwind? How often do you visit that place? Could instead be asked, what's the frequency of your visits to this location? What activities do you engage in there? How do you spend your time while you're there? In paraphrasing statements, instead of saying this place is like a tranquil haven for me, you could say this spot serves as a sense sanctuary in my life. Or I frequently go there to wind down after a long day. Instead, it's common for me to visit there to relax and de-stress following a tiring day. And I'll leave the rest with you, as well as the descriptions. Thank you as always. I'll see you on the next one.